Built in 2001 by Seabox, these units are 48 foot long by 8.6 feet wide and stand just over 9 foot tall, mounted on a 55 foot long skid. Discounts apply if all four are purchased as a group. All units are built with window steel cage-framed windows for protection from bears and other wildlife. The fourth unit is electric, custom-built, for extremely remote projects where access to propane is an issue. They feature 6 high-capacity washers and dryers as well as counter space for folding and are bright and spacious with plenty of overhead lighting and windows. All units, except one, contain onboard water storage of at least 800 gallons as well as hot water tanks and jacuzzi pump. These units also meet AAR M930-98 code for intercontinental shipping and have been well maintained by our client. Offered for just $50,000, a really great value. Contact us today at 780-665-5334.